Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today I'm taking some old broken jewelry and I'm going to create something totally different with it. So stay tuned. So every week our senior center has a bingo and they like to get prizes whenever they win. And I thought, you know what, I should start donating stuff to them as prizes. And I get people giving me broken jewelry all the time, and I love creating things from stuff like that. But then what do I do with it? And I thought maybe by making something and donating it to the bingo group, that gives me the outlet to share. So today we have these crosses here. I'm not for sure where they were from. I actually have 5 of them, and then I have this one, but I'm only going to use 4 of these. I don't think they were on one piece. They must have been on like one necklace, and the stone fell out. So then I thought, do I have any stones? And I remembered I have done several videos on diamond painting. And I have some of the little, quote, diamond things, little sequin things that you put on the pictures. And these actually are going to fit perfectly in here, like that. But first, I think I want to paint these a little bit. We're going to make ornaments from them. So we'll have 4 little ornaments to donate. And right now, I think I'm going to use... what color is this? This is a, what are they calling it? I don't know what they're calling it, but it's kind of a pink color. So I might use a little bit of that, and then a little bit of the green. So I'm going to mess around with it, and then I'm going to come back and we'll glue these sequins on there. So I got them all painted, and I put the little sequin thing in there. I used E6000 glue, and they're dry, but I want them to cure. And I did the back a little bit. These are going to be little ornaments. I mean, you could use them as a necklace pendant, but I think I'm going to give them to them this week, and they'll have a little Christmas ornament if they want to hang on their tree. So I'm going to let these cure, and then I'm going to come back and just add some ribbon. I'll probably take these jump rings off and just thread the ribbon through that. That's a big enough opening. But I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This is what I used to paint. It's called Ultimate Paint. I think you can get these online. Hobby Lobby used to carry them, but I haven't seen them for a very long time. But I've seen them online, probably Amazon. But it's called Ultimate Paint. All right, so they're all dried. I'm just putting this ribbon on them. It's just very simple. I cut, I don't know, 8, 9 inches, maybe 10 inches. And then I'm just going to put it through the hole and match the ends up so they're even. And then I'm going to tie an overhand knot at the bottom. And I like to use a crochet hook just to pull the ends through the loop there. And just slide the knot down. And then we need another overhand knot at the top here. Through there. Now, did they both get through? To try that again. Probably work with better with a smaller hook, but yeah, there we go. And here's what it looks like on the tree. I love the way it turned out. And you know, I really like taking something that's broken or that was once one thing and turning it into something else. Have y'all ever done that before? Let me know down in the comments section below. I'd love it if y'all gave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Mostly though, I hope you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative signing out for now. Bye-bye.